friends, welcome back to my tiny kitchen. I am Quintana and I have something to share with you. I miss my family. I miss my friends. I especially miss my niece. I have been struggling very much lately. I just want to hug them. I want to hug you. I'm sure I'm not the only one that feels this way. Holla if you hear me. But I'm glad I do have my tiny kitchen. It really is a meditative and happy place for me. And so I'm really excited to share this week's recipe with you. It is breakfast. It is delicious. It's super fun. They're really cute. They are eggs in clouds. So let's get started. All right, folks, first things first, we're going to want to line a baking sheet with parchment paper and preheat your oven to 450 degrees. And now we have our parade of ingredients. Get ready. We're going to use 4 eggs, and what we're going to do is separate the whites from the yolks. Next is a 1/4 cup of grated Pecorino Romano cheese. Next ingredient is a 1/4 cup of chopped chives. And of course, a 1/4 cup of crumbled bacon. All right, eggs are separated. So here we have our beautiful 4 yolks, and here are the egg whites. In my mixing bowl, we are going to whip them until they form stiff peaks. Now, I'm going to use a stand mixer. You can use a hand mixer, a stand mixer, whatever, a whisk. You can use your actual hand and a whisk and just whisk the shit out of it. But we're going to do it until it forms stiff peaks. So let's get started doing that. Just look at those stiff peaks. Okay, now the next thing we're going to do, we are going to fold in the cheese, chives, and bacon. And if you don't know what that is, you fold it in, David. Basically, it's just, let's do the cheese, get the cheese in there. I'm going to literally just really gently fold it in, David. And then you're going to do that with the chives and the bacon. Now we're going to scoop a little onto your parchment. Remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. It's all going to taste delicious. I promise. Try to get them equal clouds. Just getting this down for now, and then I'm gonna shape them a little bit better. All right, now we're gonna shape them just a little bit, just so they kind of stay to themselves. And then we're going to make kind of a deep well in the center of each cloud, because that's going to be where the yolk goes. It's a little bed for the yolk. And this next part is going to be the part that goes really fast, because we're going to now put them in the oven for 3 minutes to let them set. Here's the first step. Don't they already look so pretty? And now we're going to add the yolks to their little beds. Just roll them off carefully. Right. Oh, that one broke. That's going to happen, and that's okay. Just roll them into their sweet little beds. All right, and now we're going to add just a little bit of pepper to each one. And we're going to put it back in the oven for 2 to 3 minutes until the yolks set. Here it is, our finished little egg in a cloud. Isn't it so pretty? So fluffy. And now you know what time it is. It's time for the taste test. So let's get the yolk all gushy and delicious. Oh, don't you love a good yolk? All right, let's see. Get some good stuff here. Make sure I'm getting the yolk. A piece of bacon. All right, let's taste it. It's so light and fluffy. All the flavors are delicious. It's such a great breakfast, and it's really fun. I hope you make it. And that's it. Eggs in clouds. I forgot to tell you that was a Rachael Ray recipe. Isn't it fun and delicious and simple and so cute? I really hope you make this. I hope you show me pictures when you make it because I'm loving seeing all the pictures of the recipes that you have made. It's super amazing. Thank you. Thanks for coming and spending time with me in my tiny kitchen. I hope to see you again next week. Make sure to like and subscribe and tell your friends and comment below. And until next week.